Hey, it's shovelheadffej, and I am not in the shovelhead shed. I am... Payback camera is so crooked. You know what crooked means?
Well, see, in here it looks like it's good.
I can see in there.
Okay, is that better?
Honey, also look at your camera. You know, look, if you turn your camera sideways, I'm still going to look like I'm level. Okay. Are we ready again?
Yes.
Hey, it's shovelheadffej, and I am not in the shovelhead shed. I'm actually in the Tahoe. My wife is holding the camera. This is the only time I have to do this intro. So the sound sucks, the lighting sucks. Not because of the camera person, it's just we're in a vehicle driving. We're on our way to do some hardcore biker stuff, which is I have to go get a sewing machine for my wife. But do not tell anybody, man. I'm so embarrassed right now. No, she likes sewing, and when you get old, you do weird stuff like that. So anyway, she's doing the sewing. I'm just helping her. I'm just helping to carry her purse, the credit cards, whatever. Really nothing going on, and the biker event's going on right now. And so I made a video. The video is called "Killing My Demons." It's a short film. It's basically about alcoholism. Or addiction. It's not indicative of my life. All it is, it's just a short film. I do still make motorcycle content videos, and I just had this one rolling around in my mind, and it kind of had to get it out, and I wanted to get it out. So like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate all you guys that subscribe. Of course, I want my channel to grow. If you can forward the videos, pass it on, share it in social media and all that other good stuff. Make sure that you hit the notification bell to be notified when I put up a video. I do appreciate you guys. I do appreciate the comments. Don't worry, the beard will grow back. The last beard I just cut off was only 6 months old. So that's it, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace. Thank you. That's it. I'm done. It sucked.